Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of live trading here, and we were watching this particular software that I've been using. We're doing the New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen, and we have been watching the trend here. We're looking at the 27th of March at 410, all the way to the 28th of March at 252, right there. Okay. And now I have auto trading turned on, which is the software that I'm using, and this is the trend line that's going up like this. Now we can look at, and we'll just go back just a little bit, we can see how this has been rising for quite a while here. Alright, in this particular software, which you can click on the link below to really get a good grasp and evaluation on this particular product. What I'm going to do is show you the way this works. The trend line right here on this indicator, which is below, so you have your main graph, and you can see that this is you have your main graph, and you can see how this is ticking right here. So we're live, okay? But with this software, it makes it so easy to know exactly, like these little green balls, I call them balls, you can call them whatever you want, green balls, red balls, whatever. It reminds me of like at McDonald's. When they begin to go green, and you see two green up balls, okay? I mean, the proof is in the pudding as far as making the money with this particular thing. Because when I got it originally, I had doubts. I was like, there's no way that this thing works, this is ridiculous, it's another one of those programs, somebody's trying to sell me. And so I just wanted to throw up a quick review video to say that this thing really does work. So as you can see right here, we have some divergence as this came up and came up. So every single time you'll always be able to know, and this is just a little side note, the divergence. When you see something come up and peak, it'll dip, come up again, you know it's going down. Okay, that's one. Over here's more divergence. As you can see, it came up, came down, went back up, and then plummeted. Came up, you see right here's a little dip, comes back up, and then goes down. Comes up, levels off right here, and then comes down. Then you see that it comes up, then you have divergence, up, and then come down. So you could, right here, you wouldn't want to trade right now. You want to wait whenever you get this software. You want to wait. And again, you can just click on the link below and it'll take you to check it out. You want to wait until it makes the turn, and you'll see once you start really getting into it, I've jumped in right here because I want to show you this live trade, just because you'll see here there'll be a little green, and it might take like one more red down because we're looking at the low being like right around in here. So it might take like one more red down, but then you're going to see one green, and it'll blink green, blink red, blink green. But then whenever you see that next green pop up, you know that it's going to be back on an uptrend. And so it's literally as simple. It's almost kind of sad, because I was watching this documentary on George Washington, and I was just hanging out, and I was just watching my chart as it was just going up, and it was like all the anxiety and fear was taken out of it, because I didn't even have to worry about it. It just started the uptrend, and I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe this is real. So what I'll do here is I'm probably going to jump out of the video for now, but whenever, and so you can just click on the link below to find out more about this particular thing, and you can go try it. It's pretty easy. But when this starts to make an upturn, I'm going to jump on another video, and I might make it part 2, or I might just make a new video, and you'll be able to see how this thing is trending up. This whole trend is up, 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 up. So we'll wait until it makes the uptrend, and then we'll trade. It's that easy. This whole thing, people can say, oh, it's about buying low and selling high, and there's a risk and all this. But if you have certain tools, just like this tool, that can eliminate the risk, then there's nothing to worry about. So sweet. Click on the link below, and you can go try it.